Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the creamy pumpkin soup. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. I prefer to use Japanese pumpkin for making pumpkin soup. The hard skin of Japanese pumpkin is not easy to cut, so I would steam it for 15 minutes first. Cut the pumpkin now. Scoop out the seed. Cut into bigger pieces. Peel the skin. Cut into about 2-inch pieces. We'll use about 450 grams of pumpkin meat. Here we cut the bacon into smaller pieces and onions here, potatoes, garlic and shallots. First the unsalted chicken stock and whipping cream. Melt butter at medium heat. Add diced bacon and saute at medium heat. Add onions and saute. Add diced shallots and saute until fragrant. Add garlic and saute. Add pumpkin pieces and saute briefly. Add chicken stock now. Cook briefly, then add potatoes. Add water now. And a few pieces of bay leaf. Cover and cook at medium heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove lid and scoop out the leaves. Mix turmeric powder, paprika powder and flour with cold water. Pour mixture into the soup. Stir and cook the soup until it boils again. Add whipping cream. Cover and cook until the soup boils. Turn off heat and carefully pour the soup into a blender. Blend for 20 to 30 seconds until the soup becomes smooth. Add salt to taste. Pour the soup out. Decorate with drops of whipping cream and a small piece of parsley. Looks good? Let me try some. Delicious! The easy and yummy pumpkin soup is now ready to serve. Enjoy!